Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved these Marley twists. So before I get started, just to let you all know, I did this on freshly washed hair. I blow dried it and then just put some leave-in conditioner and a little bit of coconut oil on it. The products I used were the Janet Afro twist braid hair. It's the triple pack, and then I also used 1 pack of the Model Jamaican braid hair in color 99J. The only product I used was the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers gel, and I just put a little bit on the root of my hair before I began twisting. I wanted my twist to be a little bit thicker this time, so I used 2 of the pre-separated sections and combined them into 1 twist. I used the 1B color in the back, and then I added some of the burgundy to a few of the twists in the front. I did use the entire pack of the Janet 1B color and about 1/3 of the burgundy model hair. So I don't know if y'all can tell from this shot, but my parts are not super straight. I didn't use like a mirror or anything to help me part. I just kind of blindly parted, and I honestly feel like it gives the twist like a more natural look. Okay, so now I'm going to try to show you guys how I actually apply the braiding hair in between my own hair to make it look as if it's coming out of my scalp. So first you want to lay the hair in between a pre-sectioned part. I am left-handed, so I twist going towards the right. So before I begin doing the 2-strand twist, I take each section and twist it over the braiding hair, going towards the left. So if you're right-handed, I guess you would do it the opposite way. So you want to twist each section the opposite way of the way that you do a 2-strand twist, and then kind of intertwine and begin twisting like you normally would. I know that probably sounds really confusing, so I apologize, but I hope this kind of helps you guys by me doing it a little bit slower. I also do want to just let you guys know that I've done this style many times before, and I've done my twists a lot smaller and neater, but this time I'm just only doing this to kind of give myself a break for about 3 weeks, and then I'll be taking these right back out. So I'm not trying to do the parts really neat or the twist really neat or anything. I am just doing this to give myself a break and have it where I don't have to do my hair every day. Okay, so this is the final look. Now I am just going to lay my edges using one of my favorite edge controls, the Even 24-hour edge tamer. So yeah, my widow's peak always gives me a struggle when I'm trying to lay my edges. So just bear with me as I work through this, okay? Okay, so after I slept with my scarf on, this was the final look. It came out pretty well. I think it'll do just fine for the next 3 weeks before I move on to the next style. If you all are interested in seeing me do these smaller or do a different type of twist, I've done the passion twist before. Please just let me know in the comments, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can send me a DM, and I will see you all next time. Bye.